This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable and an active router with an open LAN port. Plug one end into your router and the other into the Xbox One Ethernet port. This creates a direct physical link. Once done, power on the Xbox and the router. Make sure the router's internet LED is steady. You do this because wired connections bypass Wi-Fi interference and offer lower latency and more stable bandwidth for games and downloads. Next, you walk through the Xbox One's network menu to finalize the link. Go to Settings, then Network Settings. Select Set up Wired Network and let the console obtain IP and DNS automatically. If you need custom DNS or static IP, choose Advanced Settings and enter values from your router. This helps if you want faster DNS resolution or port forwarding later. Make sure the Xbox reports connected with a valid NAT type for online play. That ensures matchmaking and party chat work properly. Finally, verify the connection by running network statistics and the Xbox Live connection test. This confirms speed, packet loss, and NAT type. If there's a problem, restart the Xbox and router, then reseat or replace the Ethernet cable. Simple resets clear temporary issues. If NAT is moderate or strict, enable UPnP or configure port forwarding on your router to open necessary Xbox Live ports. Doing that reduces matchmaking lag and fixes party chat problems, which
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.